Every culture tells its story through traditions, celebrations that pass down history, values, and a sense of belonging. Segment 1. Holi. The camera zooms in on people laughing, throwing colorful powders. In India, Holi celebrates spring and unity, where color represents the joy of life, breaking down social barriers in a burst of vibrancy. Segment 2. Dia de los Muertos. We shift to glowing altars, adorned with candles and marigolds in Mexico. In Mexico, Dia de los Muertos honors loved ones who've passed, celebrating life by welcoming spirits back to the living world with offerings and memories. Next, the intensity of the haka fills the screen as dancers stomp and chant. In New Zealand, the Maori haka embodies strength and unity, connecting people through powerful dance and shared history. The screen fades to a montage of the world's traditions, diverse but united in spirit. From joyful festivals to sacred rituals, these traditions connect us. The screen fades to a montage of the world's traditions, diverse but united in spirit. From joyful festivals to sacred rituals, these traditions connect us across time and space, reminding us of the beauty and diversity of the human experience. The video ends with a world map and the words, "Celebrate culture, celebrate humanity."